Thank you for watching this Hexagon Geospatial e-training module, performing manual measurement of tie and pass points using ISAT. Image Station Automatic Triangulation is used to perform automatic measurement of tie and pass points within a photogrammetric project, but the workflow can also be performed by measuring points manually. In this module, you'll learn how to perform manual measurement of tie and pass points, as well as how to run a bundle adjustment to compute adjusted ground values for the tie and pass points, and the EO parameters of the photos. To begin, select File, Open Project. Open the Training Manual folder and select the project file. Click Open. Click Orientations, Multi-Photo. Select all of the photos from the available project's photos list. This moves them to the Selected Session Photos list. Then, from Selected Session Photos, select Photo 005, 0056, and 0057. Ensure the Adjust Displayed Photos Only box is unchecked. Click OK. It may take a moment for the images to load. Now open the Advanced dialog. Under Point Range Filter, select All Points in Project. Under Point Type Filters, check User Manual Points. Click OK. When you open ISAT for the first time, you'll see two levels of windows. We want to rearrange the windows in 3 different levels to make it easier to locate conjugate points. In order to do so, click Window, New Arrangement to open the New Arrangement dialog. Under the number of levels, select 3 and click OK. Minimize the Multi-Photo Orientations dialog for now. Right-click in any view and select Grab Point. Left-click on any point on the left photo to activate it. Right-click to cancel Grab Point. Left-click in the intermediate views to sync the left 2 photos together. Once they're fairly close, left-click on a well-defined point in the Detail view to measure the point. ISAT will automatically attempt to transfer the measurement to the overlapping adjacent photo. If the point measurement succeeds, a chime will sound and the color will change to red, indicating that it was transferred successfully. Use Grab Point to select another point and repeat the operation. If the measurement fails, either try a measurement at a different location on the left photo or simply manually measure the point in the middle photo. Once the point is measured, use Grab Point to select another point from the left photo and repeat the process. Notice there is a control point displayed at its projected location. Measure this control point. Do the same for any others you find along the strip. Once all the points from the left photo are measured, repeat the process for the points down the middle of the center photo. Notice that you will now need to also transfer points to the photo on the right, as these points are in the triple overlap area of the 3 photos. Once all the points have been measured down the middle of the center photo, right-click on any photo and select Shift Right to shift to the right down the strip of photos. This can also be done by using the F12 key. Click Yes Always to save the measurements and not be prompted again. Notice that all of the photos shifted to the left and the new photo is on the right. Repeat the measurement process for all the points down the middle of the center photo. Once you have a few photos measured, restore the Multi-Photo Orientations dialog, set the adjustment type to Relative, and then click Compute. This causes ISAT to perform a free network bundle adjustment so that you can evaluate the quality of your measurements in image space as you collect them. The displayed residuals are given in microns. Once you have at least 3 control points measured, you can set the adjustment type to Relative to evaluate the quality of control point measurements in ground space. When finished measuring points from the middle photo, shift to the right again using F12 and continue to repeat the process to the end of strip 1. If you right shift too far, the first photo from strip 3 will appear on the right. This doesn't hurt anything. Just complete the measurements for strip 1 on the last 2 photos for that strip. When that's complete, shift right 2 more times to display the first 3 photos from strip 3. Repeat the measurement process for strip 3. You can open the footprint viewer to check your point distribution and progress along the way. When you have finished, restore the Multi-Photo Orientations dialog, click Apply to save your measurements, and then close the dialog. If you would like to complete strips 5 and 7 for this exercise, please see the Photo Selection for Meandering Flights training module. Once all the pass points have been measured along the strips, you can use multi-photo orientations to tie the strips together. From the Selected Session photo list, select the first 3 photos of strip 1. This adds the 3 images to the Selected Display Photos list. Now hold down the Control button and select the first 3 photos from strip 3 and add them to the Selected Display Photos list. Click OK. Minimize the Multi-Photo Orientations dialog. To arrange the windows in a logical order, click on the views in the reverse order that you want to view them on the monitor. Then click the Tile Horizontally button. This will make it easier to locate points in the adjacent strips for transferring measurements. Use Grab Point or the F4 key to activate the pass point at the top of the left photo from strip 3. Locate the same point in the adjacent photo from strip 1. Note that you can click the middle button on the mouse to activate roaming in the detail view. Click the middle button a second time to drop roam and fix the photo at that location. Repeat this in the middle photo of strip 1 to get the pass point into the field of view. Once the point is visible in all views, click on the point in either strip 1 photo to cause the point to be measured in all photos. If the point does not transfer automatically to the adjacent photo in strip 1, you can manually measure the point in that view. Note that the point color is now blue to indicate that it is a tie point common to more than one strip. Once these are complete, use Shift Right or F12 to shift both strips to the right and repeat the transfer process for the middle photos. Now use Grab Point to activate the top pass point from the center photo in strip 3. Repeat the process to locate and transfer the point to the photos in strip 1, making sure to also transfer the measurements to the photos on the right. Note that at any time you can open the footprint viewer to track your progress. If there is enough overlap between strips, you can also transfer points from strip 1 to strip 3. Simply grab the points from the center photo in strip 1, then click to transfer it to strip 3. Continue this process until you get to the end of the strips. ISAT uses a bundle adjustment program referred to as PhotoT to compute adjusted ground coordinates for the tie and pass points and adjusted EO parameters for the photos. Blunder detection algorithms are also used to eliminate erroneous measurements and control points. Note that the program can also be accessed outside the point measurement environment by navigating to Orientations, Triangulation, Photo Triangulation. Restore the Multi-Photo Orientations dialog. Click More to access the bundle adjustment interface. Go to Options, set the adjustment mode to Relative, and then click OK. Click Compute to run the bundle adjustment. Navigate through the tabs to check the adjustment results. Note that the Object Stats tab has no residuals because the relative adjustment does not take ground control points into account during the adjustment. On the Point Statistics tab, sort the points by the VXY column and find the worst point. Click on it, then click Go to Point. You can see that the tie point was misidentified and measured into a similar but incorrect point location. Click the D button to pick which photos to delete the measurement from, and then click on the detail view at the proper location to fix the measurement. Then recompute the solution to verify the fix. Next, go to Options and set the adjustment mode to Absolute. Enable given EO and set the GPS and INS corrections as shown. Click OK. Click Compute to run the bundle adjustment. Navigate through the tabs to check the adjustment results. Repeat as often as necessary. Once you're satisfied with the results, click Apply to save your adjustments, and then click Close to exit multi-photo orientations. For reference, open the footprint viewer and witness that all the points you measured are still pass or tie points. While not mandatory, most users will write the adjusted tie points object coordinates into the control file. To do this, navigate to Orientations, Triangulation, Densify, and simply click OK to update the control point list. If you open the footprint viewer, you can see that all of the tie and pass points have been converted to control points. You can also view them with Edit, Control. This project is now ready for exploitation in ImageStation OrthoPro, ISOP, in DTM extraction programs such as ImageStation Automatic Elevations, ISAE and ISAE Extended, and in stereo feature collection applications such as ImageStation Stereo Display, ISSD, or ImageStation Stereo for GeoMedia, ISSG. Thank you for watching this e-training module from Hexagon Geospatial. For more e-training, visit hexagongeospatial.com/etraining.